Good day. Today we are going to create a T-chart for this character model, and if you have seen our previous video, we have created this chart in Marvelous Designer, and we are going to do the same things for our chart for this model. And let's go to Marvelous Designer, and you can see this. We have designed the chart in this 2D area in pattern mode. So we are going to do the same things, create the pattern and make it render in 3D. So go to polygon section and zoom here and draw your pattern like this. As you can see, we have drawn a first pattern. Let's change the particle distance. As you can see, I need to change this particle distance so that it renders nicely, and change the particle to 5. And now I'm going to create this pattern, and I want to change this pattern, this line. You see this line, I want to make this line to curve, so I create the edit pattern tools, and if you push the mouse button, you can see find the edit curve feature. Click here and click any center portion of it and move your mouse whatever you want to move. And I would say I move this mouse like this, and we make a curve. So this is our first pattern. Now we are going to move this object close to the human body, and let's move it like this, and we can check this by rotating it, and it seems okay to me. In the 2D view, we can select this and create a symmetric pattern with swing. Let's click it and draw it like this, and now we have created the front portion of our chart, and we can select the both and use our keyboard to Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy this thing, or you can click from edit menu, copy this and go to paste this like here. Now we have created the back portion, and we can move it by clicking and move it like this. I would say okay. This is the back portion, so we need to flip the normal, and we have flipped the normal, and if you can see the normal is perfectly positioned, and in the 2D view we can adjust it like this. Now it's okay to me. Now let's start. Sew them, like click the swing tools here, segment swing, and click here and click here, and let's do the segment. Click here, click here, click here and click here, and click here, click here, click here and click here. We have done the swing things with our pattern. Now we can simulate this thing. Let's see how it looks, and we can press spacebar to simulate. It's okay. It seems okay to me. Now we can change something here. We need to change some pattern point, so that I want to change the height of this chart, or let's say we change the pattern, edit pattern tools, click the tools here, and in the font part if you can change it like this. Let's see how it looks. It's okay. Now do the same thing here in the back portion like this, and the back side. Let's see how it looks. Yes, we can move it here, and with it do the same things in the front portion. Okay, now press the space bar again. It looks nice to me. Now I can reduce the height of the chart. Click here and move up. If you see, this is the perfect. And let's say simulate this again, and it looks nice to me. And we can stop the simulation. Now we are going to add some texture on this pattern. To add texture, click the graphics 2D pattern tools here, and I have downloaded a ancient Egyptian texture here. This is called chart JPEG, and you can find many things if you like in Google search. I do the same things. So let's open it, render this in the and click here and click here to resize this. Okay, now do the same things for other pattern. Click here, open it and place it here. Click OK, resize it there, and it's okay to me. And go to backside, and we can same things in here like this. Open here, okay, and resize it, and do the same things for other pattern. Click it, open it, and place it here. Okay, resize it, now it's okay. And let's see how it looks in 3D view. It seems okay to me. Now we can select those patterns, and we are going to export only the selected patterns. Go to File, Export the selected as an object file format. Let's click here, and we can name it like chart member, and press OK or click OK. Click OK to export it. Now you can see the chart we have created. It has exported as a chart OBJ file. So we need to add this model into our character creator.